How to redeem Bloomingdale's gift card online. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video presentation, I am really excited to demonstrate how you can easily redeem your Bloomingdale's gift card. Bloomingdale's offer both physical gift cards and e-gift cards that can be used to make purchases or online at bloomingdales.com. To get started, simply open your preferred web browser and in the URL box, search for bloomingdales.com and visit its official website. Here, you have to log in using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure you do so. Once you're logged in, click on the item you would like to purchase. For instance, I'm going to go with Tory Burch. Likewise, you can also select the item you'd like to purchase. Now in this page, you can select the color you'd like to have, and you can also select the size you'd like to purchase for. Now simply click on Add to Bag option over here and click on View Bag option before you check out. Here, review your item, and on the right hand side you can see the option for entering the promo code where it says limit 1 code per order. For this designated area, remove the scratch off tab on the back of your gift card in order to reveal the 18 or 19 digit number. Enter this number on this website on this designated area and click on Apply. Hereby, you can now redeem the gift card and add the balance to your Bloomingdale's account or get discount for the item you are purchasing. So this is basically on how to redeem Bloomingdale's gift card online. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you, happy shopping, and see you in the next video.